Jingdiao's compound machining with milling and turning is truly efficient. The motor housing starts as a die-cast blank with a 1 mm allowance. There are 5 machining features distributed at different angles. Turning operations are performed on the end face, stepped hole, and bottom surface. Milling operations are carried out on the threaded hole and rectangular groove. To achieve precise and efficient machining, completing all features in a single setup, we need to rely on Jingdiao's 5-axis milling and turning compound machining center, the JDMRMT 600. Equipped with Jingdiao's direct drive high-speed rotary table and JD180SC milling and turning compound spindle, this setup achieves a remarkable single-piece processing time of only 30 minutes. The coaxiality of the stepped holes is less than 10 micrometers. Now, let's explore how JDMRMT 600 accomplishes efficient machining of motor housing components.